Welcome back to the channel. Today I got some work I gotta do on this Range Rover Evoque. Problem we're having is the electronic fan won't turn off. See that? All right, so here's what I'm talking about. The module. This is the module I'll be replacing today. And of course, the fan is back here turning. It won't stop turning until it kills the battery. So it'll go on all day, all night until the battery is dead. So watch, put some jumps. Hear that? That's exactly. So yeah, so without it started, the minute you put any power to the car, the electric fan will come on. So what I'm going to be doing today is just removing that module right there before it kills the battery. It's always important, safety first. Make sure we disconnect the battery. We'll go. So let's go on. Let's grab the new module. All right. So here's what the new module look like. Now, this is the number, and I'll list everything in the description at the bottom of this video, so anyone that has this problem have a better idea. So unbox this thing. Now, the cost of this thing from $300. You buy it from Range Rover or somewhere else, and this one, you can buy them for like online for like 29 bucks. See, it's only one connector here and two at the bottom, right? And there's only one screw that hold it in place. All right, so first thing we're going to do is I'm going to remove the connector here at the bottom. So you can just see there's one here at the bottom. Plug is right there. All I'm going to do is just push down and push out. See it? That one just got disconnected right there. So that's the first one I got disconnected right there. Now once I disconnect that one, the fan will stop turning. So whatever little juice is left in the battery, will be saved. So there you go. Now I got two of them disconnected at the bottom. And all it is, it just has a small clip on the top. You just pushed out and down. This plug here at the top, this one, from behind, there is a clip at the top part of it, okay? And then what we'll do is just squeeze and pull up. Clip at the bottom, at the back of it. There it is. Right here's the clip. Give you a bit of view right here. Once the plug is like this, you put your fingers in the back and then you squeeze and pull up. All right, so now we move that to the side, and yeah, we have access now to that piece, which is right here. So all I have to do is just remove one screw right there. Now, before I even get my fingers down there, like I said, if you look at the vehicle from the front, the piece is actually right here that you need to replace. So just to this side, right there. So just to the left of the fan. So the torque on that thing is really tight. So here what? I'm going to grab another tool with a screwdriver on it with a wrench. This is what I'm going to be using. Alright. See how that screw looks? Super rusty. Alright, so this is the screw. Definitely need to see that. That screw's all rusted up. Definitely need the second one. Now, as you guys can see, that's the old one, and then of course there's the part number, and then that's the date. So you can see it's been in there from 2012, and then of course that's the part number. I'll put this all in the description, so don't worry. And then I will find the new one, so we'll just make sure they all look the same, of course without the markings on it. But like I said, this is like $300-400, and this $30. It'll work. It's gonna work perfect. I know it will. All right, now I just got to put it back down, put it back in place. Now, as you guys can see, we have 1, 2, 3, all the connectors. Where's my flashlight? Here's my, so we got 1, 2, just like you see them, and then of course that's the third one, and we'll just sit this back in place. So there are 2 clips right here, or 2, where it's going to sit inside these 2 areas right here. 1, 2. So sitting, and then now I'll just put the screw, that screw. You don't have to start recording it. Let me just start to one at the bottom. They're all in place. We can't really mix them up because the cords, they're only long enough to go from one place to another. Can you see that at the bottom here? So first clip, replace, there it is, click. Second one is on the opposite side. And here, click, that's clicked in place also. We'll tighten that up in a minute. And then the last one is right here. And then we'll just push down until we hear click. And then, so we got those 3, 1, 2, 3 in place. And then what we'll do, we'll connect this battery back and then tighten everything up. And then from tighten everything down, we'll start it up real fast. We'll check it before I finish, just in case this thing is not working. I want to make sure we don't do the job 3 times. All right?
Yep.
Tighten the battery back on real fast. Look, let's take a look down here. Look at the fan. See it? The fan is not turning, so this is a good sign. Because a few minutes ago, with the small amount of power that was in the battery, the fan kept turning and turning and turning because this module, you know, it was so bad, so it kept the power going. This one was so bad, so it kept the power going. So right now, that's a good sign. It's not turning. I'm going to put my jump box on it. We're going to start it up. We're going to test it first before we tighten everything and button everything back down. This, yeah, go ahead. Hold on. All right. Nothing? Battery. Jump box is probably dead. Nothing. Yep, jump box is dead. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my jumper cable. Hold on. Key. You didn't have the key, of course. I was going to start. Because look, jump box is still good. Let's see how this thing goes before we start it up. Hold on, hold on. All right, go ahead. There we go. Now that's a great sign. That's an excellent sign. Fan is in place, not moving right now, and the car is running. So that seems to solve the problem. I'm just going to go ahead and button up the last screw, and that's how we replace these modules, you know, the fan module on this 2012 Range Rover. All right, so I button everything up, done here. We tighten that last screw up, and yeah, that's just all the problem. All right, cool. Thanks a lot, and catch you on the next one.